I am back at a new location. We have had a few curveballs thrown our way in our household. We woke up Saturday morning to find that a plumbing line had burst and was flooding my son's bedroom, and have subsequently found out that it's even worse than that. So we are currently staying in a hotel and are very grateful. We are definitely expressing an attitude of gratitude. We are very grateful for our insurance and our insurance adjuster who has put us up in a hotel, because we don't have any water at our home right now. And I don't know when we're gonna have it turned back on, but I have complete confidence in our contractors. Anyway, all this to say that the projects that I was working on and hoping to have uploaded for you sometime this week and next are still sitting on my crafty little desk at home and in various stages of completion, and I'm not able to get to those right now. So what I have done is I packed myself a little emergency craft bag. I'll put a picture here for you to see. And in it, I have got my ATG gun and some extra tape. I've got my scissors and just whatever implements I thought I would need. I'm sure I've missed some things. I'm sure I've forgotten some things. But I decided, well, this is a good opportunity for me to make some cards. I don't need my big scoreboard to make cards with. I've brought my little card making scoreboard with me. And I'm gonna go through this sweet little paper pad that I've got here from Honeybee Stamps. It is the Hugs and Kisses collection, and I really love Honeybee Stamps. They produce beautiful stamps and dies and papers and all sorts of wonderful things. And I am just really grateful that I've got this little pad to work with to keep my hands busy and kind of do a little bit of therapy crafting here while we're kind of going through a lot. I am also grateful that our suite has wine glasses. So I have poured myself a glass of white wine. My kids are playing cards in the next room over, and I'm just gonna start making some greeting cards here to send out. I just grabbed a variety of different cardstocks here. Here's that black artisan that's in the 8.5 by 11. Isn't it awesome? I just grabbed a variety of different colors and textures. Anyway, I've got a variety of different cardstocks here. I'm gonna make some card bases. This is what we're doing. I'm probably gonna have most of this as a voiceover into music because we're in really tight quarters, and my kids, you can probably hear them in the background, and we're just making the best of it. Oh, I did also wanna say, I did grab my Love from Lizi peel-offs. I love these, they're super fun. And just an assortment of bling, some things I had from Queen & Company, some other just various bling that I purchased on Amazon, just thinking that this might be a good collection of colors. So if you see me using those, that's what they are. So yeah, I've just gathered an assortment of goodies here, and I have put together a little makeshift camera stand. I'm gonna put a picture of that here for you to see. Yeah, it's pretty funny, huh? But, you know, hey, we got to craft. So this is going to help keep me sane and make the cards that I want to make. And yeah, so let's get into it.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
We wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh,
28 cards out of that one 6x6 paper pad and the bonus cards or bonus pattern papers that were sent to me also by Honeybee Stamps. And I still have a lot left over, you guys. First of all, look at all of these sentiments. And I used them on every single card. So I think, well, maybe there were 2 that I didn't use them on, but I still have all these sentiments. And I have all these pieces of paper. These are full sheets of paper. Got 2 of these and 2 of these. I honestly was sort of holding the greens aside because I've got another collection I might want to work with those. And that's what I was able to get out of this. So not only was I able to make all these beautiful cards, but I was able to keep my hands busy during a not so easy time. And you know, keeping your hands busy is something to really help your mind to be at ease, and it sort of lessens the worry. At least that's what I found. Anyway, thanks so much for spending this time with me and letting me share this little bit of my journey. I'm hoping to get some other tutorials up really soon, but life has happened, and unfortunately a lot of my projects are still sitting on my desk, you know, back at my house. So once we get back in the house and the water's running, then I should be able to finish some of the other things that I've started to work on. So until then, I hope you are all safe and happy and finding joy in your own journey. Thanks so much, guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.
You and I, we got it. We don't need